So to begin, we're going to work as if we're purling 2 together through the back loop. So we're coming from the left to the right, purling through the back, sliding those 2 off. Then we're going to purl our next stitch, if I don't get caught. And then we're going to take those 2 slip stitches and move them back over. Again, we have 2 stitches. We're going to slide those off. We're going to slip them as if we were purling through the back loop. So sometimes pulling on those stitches to be able to see them easily is good. Gives us that twisted stitch. We're going to slide those off. We're going to purl our next stitch. And then we're going to slide those 2 back over. One more time. I pull on my stitches to kind of give me a little bit more room to get through those 2 back loops. Slide them off so you can see them twisted here. Then I purl that next stitch, and then I grab those 2 that were slipped and bring them back over. And that is the S2PP2. I am Deja with Knit and Crochet Ever After. This is your super fast stitch refresher, and thank you for watching.